Speaker high volume. Hey garden lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we've got something super exciting for you. Brand new codes for Roblox Grow a Garden. Yes, you heard that right. Tonight's video is all about fresh, working codes that will help you boost your garden, unlock rewards, and level up faster. Herb people have been waiting for these codes, and now it's finally here. In this video, we'll reveal all the newest codes, explain how to use them, and show you how to get the most rewards in the game. Dizzy, make sure to watch the entire video, because some codes are limited time and you don't want to miss them. Thumbs up before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss any new Roblox Grow a Garden updates. Wrapped gift, alright? Now it's time for the special segment where all the new codes are revealed. You're going to see brand new codes that just dropped. So pay close attention because they're super valuable. Hammer and wrench if you're wondering how to redeem codes or claim rewards. Don't worry, I'll walk you step by step on how to enter the codes and grab your free rewards, so you'll never miss a single one. Speech balloon, comment below and tell me which reward you're most excited to get tonight. Remember, more codes are coming soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, and keep your garden growing. Cherry Blossom, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. See you in the next video. Waving hand Herb.